The pig study that we did on feeding pigs GMO and non-GMO corn and soybean products from the day they were weaned until the day they were harvested. The statistical results from a scientific standpoint were the GM-fed pigs had a 2.6 times increased incidence of severe inflammation in the stomach. The males had a 4-fold increase in that severe inflammation. The females a 2.2 increase in the severe inflammation. The GM-fed females, the weight of their uterus was 25% abnormally heavier than the average normal uterine weight of the non-GM-fed females. Those were the two statistical findings that we documented. The thing that we also saw, which has to be termed as anecdotal because our protocol wasn't set up to monitor it because we hadn't anticipated it, was a dramatic change in the behavior and the, if you will, the mental capability of the GM-fed pigs. We had to weigh the pigs on a weekly basis throughout the entire 5.5-month period of the study. And when the pigs got older, we had a simple maze that they would have to run through to get on the scale. The non-GM fed animals could complete this simple task very rapidly and efficiently and without hassle. And the GM fed pigs could not complete the simple task in a timely manner. And as soon as you got them in confined quarters, they would start fighting and biting and picking on one another. The people that were weighing the pigs did not know who was fed which diet. They just knew that this pen and this pen would go through fast and simple, and this pen and this pen went through with difficulty and confusion. And you know, how do we quantify what's going on? Well, I asked the question, what's the percentage of the population, especially the children and young adults in our country today, that are on prescriptions for mood-enhancing medication compared to before we had genetically engineered crop ingredients in 70 to 80% of the processed food in the grocery store?